Hello, I am flying back home to Mumbai from Delhi. I was here for a really fun work trip. Also, today I'm flying in the Air India Airbus A350 for the first time. I was very excited about it. Now I'm even more excited about it because I've got an upgrade from economy to business class. So I get to experience the A350 business class, even though it's domestic. It's going to be a short 2 hour, 10-minute flight from Delhi to Mumbai, but I'm really excited about it. Let's see how this goes. All right, thank you. Hello. Is it a good day or is it a very good day?
It's a very good day.
It is a very good day. I bumped into you on the flight.
Well, I think two people have connected, as friends, and I think that's what the, karmic connections are all about. We meet
Well, if you
strangers,
put it like that,
and we
then
meet
yes.
strangers and share positivity, and that's what's important.
I really hope I get to see a good sunset. I mean, this seat, this aircraft, and an incredible sunset would be like perfection. Well, we'll wait and watch. Fingers crossed. Hello, good evening. Sure, thank you.
Romantic moment with yourself.
ये विकास आपके पीछे भी हो सकता है। आपातकालीन निजी वस्तुएं जैसे मोबाइल फोन
दिल्ली से हार्दिक स्वागत करना बोल रहा हूँ। आज हमने नई दिल्ली से उड़ान भरने के बाद 43,000 फुट की ऊंचाई से उड़ान भरी।
This Air is pleased to announce a Noria arrival and welcomes you to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai.
Thank you. Thank you.